Okay, for our part 3 guys. Okay, part 3 Part 3 natin sa ating feng shui for year 2026 fire horse. Okay, ito na yung yung animal signs. Oh my goodness. Okay, we will put a statement according to the element. Okay, so element, kung apoy ka, you're swerte, okay? If you're wood, you have to help someone, okay? If you're water, maglaylo ka lang muna, medyo lumapit ka ng konti, medyo kung water ka, huwag ka masyadong cold, makisama ka, okay? Makisama ka, go with the flow, sabi nga nila. Pag earth ka naman, you have to be supportive, okay? If you're earth, because you will be leaded. The earth will be leaded in the year of the fire horse. Ikaw yung magiging sangkalan, okay? Avoid the sobrang pagod if you have earth element. Okay, so we have wood element. You will lead wood fire element. Okay, the wood is a conductor of parents, guardians, okay, talent managers. Okay, if you have talent or meron kayong artista na inaalagaan, okay, you will lead wood. Kasi wood is a conductor of fire, and fire is a sign of fame. Kung meron tayong tinatawag na fame and fortune, the fame is on fire. Kasi ito yung lumalanggaab, lumalaki, sumisikat, sumasabog, nakikilala, nagiging famous. Okay? So, if you will notice, yung anything na may ilaw, katulad ng radyo, telebisyon, sine, oh my goodness, ano na ngayon, the people will seek entertainment. Someone will make them feel happy. Like movies, okay, yung mga television shows, eto na ang panahon natin, guys, na magiging sumika tayo, okay? So, the entertainment world will be very much famous. Kumbaga, soon after siya, magiging part siya ng isang recovery ng may sakit, magiging part siya ng healing period ng isang tao. And because of the social media na nakikita natin, napakalaki ng influence sa social media. We are being educated by social media. We learn things through social media. We earn money by social media. Everything that has to do with pinapanood mo or mainit, may ilaw, or that's television, or there will be opera play. Dapat ilagay natin ang mga play, ang mga literature, ang art, o yung mga opera, yung mga drama sa theater. Okay? So, yung mga bata natututo sila ng opera. Okay? How do I say that? Yung mga play, yung talagang play na makikita mo, pinapanood mo, nagsasampalan sila or nagsasalita sila in front of you live audience. Dapat magkaroon ang ating mga mall ng ganyan. Okay, para maturuan yung mga bata how to have discipline sa pag-arte, kasi minsan yung art is therapeutic. Therapeutic siya sa mga tao, sa mga bata, yung nagkakaroon sila ng character development because of the extreme drama, extreme emotions sa isang pelikula, natututunan natin at nalalaman natin yung feelings. Ganito pala yung feelings nila. So, I have to be educated. I have to learn things. I have to be considerate. I have to be open-minded, di ba? Okay, eto na guys. Diyos ko, bago mo, ubusan naman yung oras ko. Okay, say hello. Say hello. Okay, eto na. Ang Year of the Rat, okay, 1948, 1960, 1972, 84, 96, 2008, and 2020, okay, Year of the Rat, listen when. This is according to your element, of course. Sa ang rat kasi, sa tingin ko, siya, mabilis kumilos, mabilis magdesisyon, impulsive, paikot-ikot, hindi mapakali, fickle-minded, okay. This will be your year na magkakaroon ka ng maraming friends, at saka kung ikaw ay fire element, sisikat ka. Ito yung time na dinaon ka nila, bumangon ka ng girl. Okay, kuya, best friend, bumangon ka na. Ito na yung time mo, ha? Okay, tandaan mo ang fire rat. Okay, fire rat is very impulsive. Mapusok sila. Kung ayaw mo sa akin, okay, fine. Kuha ko ng alternate. Hindi sila nawawala ng spare tire. Kumbaga, ganun sila. So, ano yan? Ang ox naman is tahimik. Nasa isang tabi lang siya. Okay, so hindi siya pala desisyon, matigas ang ulo. Okay, ox, I would advise you to whichever the element you have, whether it's earth, metal, fire, water, or wood. Okay, ox, you have to weigh things. Okay, and then gumalaw-galaw ka ng konti. Okay, wag ka lang nandiyan sa upuan mo. Gumalaw-galaw ka. Okay, at huwag tayo maging parang kalabasa na lumalaki na lang tayo dyan. Okay, gumalaw-galaw ka because the health is not good. Okay, you have to visit your relatives, probably, go abroad, visit some places, eat healthy food. Okay, ox. Okay, and then tiger. Tiger is usually the mother element of tiger is wood. So, kung wood tiger ka, like ako, wood tiger, okay, mas mabilis ang asenso kung magiging supportive ka sa someone that has fire element. Okay, now, the tiger, whether your earth tiger, water tiger, fire tiger, metal tiger, okay, ano ka muna ha, huwag ka makipag-away kasi ang tiger is a territorial animal. Huwag ka makikipag-away at iwasan mo yung gulo. Okay, yung maliliit na sensitivity ng feelings, mag-isip-isip ka muna bago ka mag-react. Kasi baka magkaroon ka ng malaking away sa kapitbahay, sa ano. So, ano ka lang, if you are wood, you will be super sikat. Okay, ang mga wood tiger katulad ko, okay. So, ayan ang philosophy sa akin sa Chinese temple, which I cannot agree more dahil talaga nararamdaman ko siya. Minsan pag nasa mall ka, napapansin ka na, okay, binabash ka na rin, okay, meron ka na rin, tinatawag-tawag ka na, okay, Merry Christmas, mga ganon, okay. Minsan nakakatuwa, minsan naman merong mga iba-ibang comment na hindi mo magugustuhan, pero avoid quarrel, okay? Avoid quarrel. Matuto tayong maging masaya, okay? Sa katulad ko na tiger, maging masayahin ka. Enjoy art, enjoy literature, enjoy books. This is the time for you na ilaylo mo yung galit mo, at saka yung grudge mo, tanggalin mo yan. Yung super hatred mo, tanggalin mo yan. Be aggressive sa future mo na darating na napakaganda. Okay, next, ang sunod natin is rabbit. Rabbit is tahimik. Ayaw nila ng limelight. Usually, yung mga rabbit, sila yung mga restaurant owner. Nandun sa kanilang malaking restaurant at hotel, nagluluto, nag-aayos sa mga kama, tinitingnan yung mga maintenance sa kanilang mga hotel. Rabbit is a very famous for having a restaurant. Tahimik sila pero ang bilis ng asenso ng rabbit because they are smart animal. Okay, next. Bago ako matapos, ko magkaka-part 5 ako, guys. Okay, dragon. Dragon, masakit kang magsalita. Iwasan mo yung sobrang, alam mo yun, very mean. Okay, very authoritative. Okay, bawasan mo ng konti. Makinig ka muna, listen well, and then that's the time you react. Okay, wag masyado matampuhin at bawasan mo ang mga bad words. Okay? Dragon. Next, snake. Snake is, because of the horse, snake will hide. Snake will hide, okay? Especially, kung ikaw ay fire snake, okay? Ka lang muna, observe mode ka muna. Observe mode, okay? Para hindi tayo mapaaway, kasi ang horse tahimik, galit pala sa'yo, tutuklawin ka na pala. Okay, by the way, for the fire snake, you will have $1 million sales. Alright? Let's go to part 5.